Now, to finish this unit, we're going to talk about two rules. Just as a reminder, we talk about parallel lines in the transversal, right? So we talked about that before. So let me emphasize again, two parallel lines in the transversal. And we even talk about measurements. Remember, this was 80, 80, 100. I gave you guys these measurements before. Now we're going to talk about two different new labels. One of them is going to be called same side interior. Okay, so that one, how same side interior. So just listen to the name, same side. So same side of the transversal. Interior means inside of the parallel lines. So I'm going to be looking at these two angles. Now, you can see same side interior, they're not equal to each other. They actually add up to 180. Okay, so same side interior. The other rule that I'm going to be talking about is linear pair. We talked about this before. Linear pair. So two angles that combine is the angle of a line. An example, it could be these two angles. Now, those two angles are also going to add up to 180. So it was, I've been giving you the work separated. It's easy. It's going to be fun once I start combining all the rules. And that's actually what's going to be coming up for the rest of the week. So today is just two simple questions, two simple rules. Same side interior or linear pair. Now let's take a look at question number 31. Let's see, I have these two angles. Now that's same side interior, right? And I just said that same side interior, they add up to 180. So the way I'm going to solve for x, I'm going to go 13x plus 6 plus 70. So I add everything, and this is equal to 180. The rest is just simple algebra. On the left side, there's a lot of things on the left side. So let me combine like terms. Letter-wise, I just have 13x. Number-wise, 6 plus 70, I call that 76. And I'm going to say all this is equal to 180. So 13x plus 76 equals 180. Good. Let me move the plus 76 as a minus 76. So I want letters on one side, numbers on the other. So I have that 13x is equal to 104. All right, 180 minus 76 is 104. Got that? Now let me divide both sides by 13. 104 divided by 13 is 8. Nice. Let's take a look at number 32. These two angles are also same side interior. So I know that I have to add everything and equals to 180. So I'm just going to go 20x minus 5 plus 9x plus 11. I add everything, and this is equal to 180. All right, the left side, there's a bunch of things. Let me combine like terms. 20 plus 9, that's 29x. Negative 5 plus 11, that's positive 6. And this is equal to 180. Okay, one letter is by itself. So the plus 6, let me move it over as a minus 6. I have the 29x is equal to 174. Right? 180 minus 6 is 174. To get x by itself, let me divide both sides by 29. 174 divided by 29 is 6. Okay, not too bad. Take a look at number 33. I'm looking at this angle with this angle. Now that looks like linear pair. Now linear pair, remember I said they add up to 180. So I'm going to go 16x plus 21x minus 5. And all of this is equal to 180. Let me combine like terms. When it comes to x, 16 plus 21, that's 37. So 37x minus 5 equals 180. Letters on one side and numbers on the other side. So this minus 5, let me move it over as a plus 5. 37x equals 185, right? 180 plus 5, 185. All right, let me divide both sides by 37. X equals 5. That's not bad. Let's take a look at question number 34. That's linear pair again. So I can add everything equals 180. So 61x minus 2 plus 30x is equal to 180. The left side, let me combine my like terms. 61x plus 30x, that's 91x. Minus 2 is equal to 180. I want letters by themselves, so the minus 2, let me move it over as a plus 2. So 91x is equal to 182. Let me divide by the number in front of x, so let me divide by 91. X is equal to 2. That's easy, that's not bad. Taking a look at number 35. My two pair lines that I'm using are going to be these two lines. My transversal is going to be this line. My angles, they look like same side interior. So that means I add everything equals to 180. So let me just go 10x plus 10 plus 19x minus 4. It's equal to 180. In terms of x, 10 plus 19 is 29x. 10 minus 4, that's 6. And this is equal to 180. I want letters by themselves, so this plus 6, let me move it over as a minus 6. 29x is equal to 174. Let me divide both sides by 29. 174 divided by 29 is 6. So x is equal to 6. Lastly, let's see, I have transversals. I mean, parallel lines. I'm using on my parallel lines, I'm using this line. I'm not using another line, but I'm still going to do this one. And then on transversals, and it seems like I'm using this angle with this angle. That looks like linear pair. So I'm going to add everything equals 180. So x plus 136 plus x plus 56, and all of this is equal to 180. On the left side, 1x plus 1x is 2x. 136 plus 56 is 192. And this is equal to 180. I wanted the 2x by itself, so this plus 192, let me go over as minus 192. So I get 2x is equal to negative 12. Let me divide by 2. X equals negative 6. It's fine for x to be negative, so negative 6 sounds about right. So we've covered all the names. Keep in mind, I did cover all the names. Don't be surprised if you guys see on the test, have you guys label them by name. So I might mark two angles. I might call one of them angle A and angle B. So I might mark two angles, and then I will ask you by the name. So don't be surprised on that.